Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. Finish work and still bright sunshine. Oh, I love it. So, to celebrate it, I will do an outfit of the day with old, boring, usual clothes. I wear this all the day. It's been years, the same clothes. I wash it, wear it the second day, and it's so very comfortable. This is it. It's very comfortable. I have my face outside. And you can tie it or you can put it inside, and this is just a perfect size, so I do not need that string. So comfortable, so very comfortable. Right? Old, out of date, but comfortable.